What's up, boys? Today's the day we're replacing the clutch and the dually.
All right, here we go, boys and girls.
I've been putting it off for a long time. Probably it's over a year now. So this video right here was over a year ago in July. Pulling my truck. All that white smoke, that's clutch smoke. And I bought my new clutch like a month before that, so it was already slipping. Then this happened last weekend when I let Jimmy drive my truck. So now it slips all the time, dude. So hey, today's the day, bud. We're gonna replace the clutch and the Cummins, bud. So let's get it. We just picked up transmission jack back there at old Harbor Freight, and we're heading up to Jimmy's, bud. So I'll see you there.
Right on, it works.
All right. Pressure plate, throwout bearing. It's got grease in it. Ew.
Alignment tool.
Yeah.
ARP flywheel bolts, big money.
Big freaking money.
This is like $1,000 in bolts.
You got a sticker too.
ARP sticker. Clutch. What's the purchase date on this stuff? Eight, 19.
More than a year ago.
More than a year.
Did
I?
Bel Air clutch. Bel Air.
Flywheel. Whoop.
Look at that.
Brand new. It's heavier than most of the women I've been with. That's what it is.
Not me.
All right.
Alright, boys. Hey, trans is out. Trans is out. It's got a Cummins in it. Ow. No moss.
Light in here.
Look at that, bud. Oh, that powder. Lately, I know I'm in it. Throwout bearing.
I put E4 18 speed in it.
I don't know. Yeah?
Look at that freaking clutch powder, bud.
Alright. Time to put the new one in.
Ow, fuck.
Hey,
bad bitches and they after me.
That much about life, you just living. Oh, bro, that's good. That's how. Look at that! Fuck!
Grease on there.
Marine grease.
Marine grade?
That's freak. No, grease, not gray. Grease.
Marine grade.
Grease.
Marine grease. Yeah, yeah.
Water resistant.
Alright. Yeah, I'm always bogging, so we need it water resistant. Lay the pipe down. Alright. Hey, there's the old flywheel. There's the old clutch. She's pretty ate up, bud. Fiber everywhere, powder, clutch powder. The old pressure plate. Freaking dropping powder everywhere, all over my pants. She's ate up, Jimmy. Ate up.
I'd rather be ate up than ate out.
Alright.
If that would not work, I mean, I don't know what to do.
Don't drop it. I'm sure that's expensive.
It's like $20 or $30.
Ratchet behind me. It took him 80. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You kidding me? I'm not pushing the work. Dang,
What?
what's the deal right now?
We're about to eat Mexican.
Transmission's in, bud. Bolts are threaded. Nothing's tight.
Burnout coming soon.
Yeah, right.
What do you mean? Yeah, right. You gotta do something cool. You gotta dump it at least once.
We need a 15 on the impact.
suck my dick. What, bud? Good going? Yeah. Think you're gonna share some jerky with us?
You think he's gonna
I don't know.
Give me the hammer. We don't need it.
Hey, you gonna put the drive?
Is this one line up right here? Yeah. There you go. Give that back to Corbin. Before we fucking leave.
Whose is it?
Corbin.
Broke it.
Oh, most people.
Hey,
What? Watch it. I'm about to fry this.
Clutch is in, man.
I'm about to fry it.
clutch is in. Start this whore up, dude. Is the clutch pushed in right now?
Yeah.
It is. We'll go into gear.
It's working.
It is.
Here, changer.
Yeah. Hey, hey! God dang. What a job that was, though.
It really wasn't bad.
I mean, it took, what time is it?
9:09.
It took 9 hours. 9 hours and 9 minutes.
But we did a lot of around, and the trans weren't slide back in.
Yeah.
We took a lot of around.
Hey,
Together.
that's it, bud. Took us 9 hours, but we got it. I'm tired. Jimmy's tired. I'm dirty, dude. So, hey, PowerShift out, bud. That's it for today.